Okay, it's currently 11:40 Indian Standard Time, and I took a long right in here. This is a scalping video. I took a quick long in here, right in this area. The stop is just below in this area, something right in here, and I want to see price trading into this area, and then possibly this. So half of the position will come out in here, and the rest of the position will come out in this area. Overall, I'm looking for more downside, but I do think price can make make its way into this area. So this is what I'm looking for. So there's the reason. The reason is simply that because pretty much the same. So I was looking for this to break down, but this picked up liquidity from this area. Just pull this out. So this tried to extend, and yeah, we were here. So this one tried to extend, and then picked up some liquidity from this area, and then we have the market opening coming into this gap, nice short, and then comes back down to picking up some more of that liquidity in here, and now it's trading. So I would like to see this to just maintain and then break down, but it didn't. So, and it rather came back into this area, coming to some more liquidity, and this is a refined level on a 1 minute chart, which we'll see. So and price starts working through it. So and given that it's a gap right in here, so I think that price can make its way into this area. So that's what I'm looking for right now. And if we go on this 1 minute, so you can see this was the shelf in here, and this got picked up right in this area, and then delved back into this area. So not much, not a better liquidity, I would say, and you can see this bleeding price behavior. So if price comes back down into this area and starts holding, then I think we're coming into this area, and then go from there. But I don't want to see that. I think if I see price coming in and holding in this area below this line, so I'll just get out of the trade. And if we do reach our objective in this area, then I'll close the half and move my stop to break even, because this is just a quick scalp in here. I would like to see price filling in this gap quite quickly. So let's see if we can get that. I've taken this 18400 call option for that scalp, and let's see if it works. I think first I think it should go above this high. So let's see. So far it's looking like it's under pressure, but let's just wait and see. Under any circumstance, I don't see price. I don't want to see price coming below this area, because that would actually break the structure for me, and then come into this area and then might hold in here and break down. Because overall from this, just pull this out, from this area, I'm actually bearish on this chart. So yeah, so you can see the tag in here, this one which got failed yesterday, and this was just filling in the gap and coming in down. I think this also represents a nice shot, but I don't see much structure on the lower time frame, so that could be possible. We might hold into the level I marked on the 1 minute chart where my profit level is, or we could actually make another high in here and then try to come down. But we'll have to see how this one goes. But also for some time I've been pointing out the level in here at 320, I think this should hold for a bit and at least fill in this bit of extension in here. So same fractally, the same move, extension, then comes back right into this fill. And if you want to get long, if you are bullish, then I would not do anything in here and rather wait for this extension to fill and then take some long if you are bullish. But I do think price can come into this area and possibly even this or lower, because I'm looking for lower levels in S&P and as well as global markets. So let's see how this one goes. So far it's consolidating. Even I think it won't hurt if we move our stop just below this low, because we could see if price breaks this 270 area, then I'll see price coming to this area, somewhere in here into this area. So let's see how this one will play out, and we'll see the update. Okay, so closed half of the position in here. You can see close enough, so close half the position in here, and the stop is just at the break even point. So as you can see, not much of a movement, but we just want to scalp this out. I think it was a nice opportunity. I would like to see this moving further into this area, possibly. So something in, let's call it 300. So I would like to use a big figure at 300. So yeah, somewhere in here I would like to see this price moving. And we'll wait and see what happens. So I've closed the position right in here. I think it just doesn't want to go further. So you can see it's trading into some resistance in here. So which I think, given I'm bearish, I think makes sense. So so you can see this tag which has failed right now. So initially, you don't want to see this fail if you're long, because across any time frames, because that would mean that price is showing you that it wants to trade a little bit deeper. Then you would ask yourself, with available liquidity, that would, according to me, would be somewhere around could be somewhere in this little area, but overall I would like to see this price coming into this 250 area. So that does not mean it won't hold. It sure can, but this is the probability of the trade working out is just not that great after this. So, and given that it's only a scalp and it's only a 1 minute chart, so not to focus much on this. So that's okay. Very nice scalp. I think just to go over this executions. So I bought this option and let's go ahead in here. So this went a little bit. So I think a pretty nice opportunity. Also, I think overall this is a just pull out So overall, I think this is already a topping out formation. Of course, it can break, but given that it's already traded below that shelf in this area and this area, so I would really like to see price action putting pressure to the downside now. And I think this is a good point even to take some sales in. The reason is, if we view this on the 1 hour chart, so actually yeah, 30 minutes paints a good picture, I guess. So so you can see this price looks like a little bit of a bleeding behavior. So either you can trade the break of this area on a lower time frame, or probably you can sell it right in here. So I would wait because the structure on the lower time frame is just not too great. I think if we do make another run past these highs and then we fail, I think that's an opportunity for me to at least run us into this 190 area and possibly lower. So I kind of want to see how price plays out. So let's see. Not much volatility in forex these days, so pretty boring price action in FX. So not much. So that's why I'm just using some opportunities in here and see what happens. But yeah, this is done.